new chapter of civics, that is judiciary. Okay. In this chapter we will discuss about the organs of the government. That we know that there are three organs of the government: legislature, judiciary and executive. In our previous chapter we already discussed about our legislature part, which includes Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. We already discussed the functions of the Lok Sabha, that how Lok Sabha works, yes, and how MLAs become the ministers. So we already discussed this, we can say, the functioning of legislature as a part or as a organ of the government. Today we will discuss about the judiciary organ of the government, that how judiciary as an organ of a government works. So under judiciary we are having Supreme Court, High Court. As I already discussed with you that there are three levels of government: central level, state level, local level. At central level we are having PM, president, vice president. At state level we are having chief ministers. Okay, and at local level we are having panchayat and municipal corporation. Okay, like this only there are three level of court also, which comes under the judiciary. At the central level you are having Supreme Court. Central, ठीक है, at the central level you are having Supreme Court. At state level you are having High Court. Okay, state level you have High Court, and at local level, or we can say at district level, we have District Court. So like this we are having three level of our judiciary system. One is at central level, state level and at district level. Fine. Everybody on your video? Yes, बच्चे, everybody on your video. I don't know, my video is why not able to join. Yes. After that, now we will discuss about the functioning of this High Court and Supreme Court. See बच्चे, when you are having any dispute at district level, okay, so first you need to file a case at district level. Okay, over there you are having judges, proper hearing you will get over there, and if you are not satisfied with the judgment of the district court, then you can again file a case at High Court. Okay, but it's not that first you need to file a case in district court only. You can directly file your case in High Court also. But if you are not satisfied with the decision of district court, then you can file that case in High Court. But again, if you are not satisfied the decision of High Court also, then there is one supreme body of in India, that is Supreme Court. Okay, then you can file a case in Supreme Court. But the decision taken by the Supreme Court will be the final decision. Now you don't have any other institution or any other authority where you can file your same case for another judgment decision. Okay, so it's okay that if you are not satisfied with district and High Court, so you are going to Supreme Court, but the decision taken by the Supreme Court is the final one. Okay, now under judiciary only we divide these cases into two parts: civil cases and crime cases. Okay, why my video is not on? I have on it, but I don't know what is problem over here. It's on, but from
on है आपकी वीडियो.
but from my side. Okay, fine. It's okay. ऑन नहीं होना चाहिए, आपको ऑन ही दिखना चाहिए. मेरी तरफ से ये मेरी ना प्रोफाइल पिक शो कर रहा है, तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरी वीडियो ऑन क्यों नहीं हो पा रही है, क्योंकि वीडियो तो मैंने ऑन की है. चलिए, so we were discussing about the judiciary system. Two types of judiciary cases are there. One is your civil cases, another one is your criminal cases. Okay, now we will discuss for civil cases. But the civil cases are those cases in which cases like property conflict, or you can say dowry problems and issue between any neighbor regarding any such kind of things like deals regarding money. So all these cases were included in civil cases. लाइक योर कन्फ्लिक्ट्स है, आपकी डॉरी है, आपका और भी कोई इशू हो गया है मनी के रिगार्डिंग किसी के साथ भी. सो ऑल दीज कम्स अंडर योर सिविल केसेस. ओके, what about your criminal cases? Criminal cases are the cases in which crime is there. Crime like murder, robbery, all these are crime na. So where we are having crime in our society, so those cases comes under criminal cases. Okay.